Fashion trends keep changing, but did you know 2025 is already expected to be the king of all fashion trends? The ramp walks and celebrity-approved cuts and trends have already thrown a wave of excitement among fashion enthusiasts. Hey fashionistas, welcome back to our channel where style meets elegance. We've brought another video full of excitement, fashion, and trends for our girlies. We're talking top 5 fashion trends that'll dominate 2025. Many have already labeled 2025 as the most girlish and feminine fashion year of all, and these top trends will tell you why. Number 1. A touch of Mocha mousse. Since the day Pantone introduced the color for the year, Mocha mousse has been everywhere. Not just in the fashion world, but this color has dominated 2025 in so many ways. From architecture to room renovations, from Pinterest boards to wardrobes, Mocha mousse is everywhere. But mostly, this color dominated the fashion scene. For 2025, get ready to witness a touch of Mocha mousse in outfits not only from celebrities, but also from fashion designers, models, and even locals on your street. Either you'll see it as a major color used in the basics, or as a minor used in accessories like bags, belts, scarves, or outerwear. This color is even going to slay 2025 winters in leathers and furs. The warm, soft, and elegant Mocha mousse palette is even trending in monochromatic. The point is, this color is going to dominate 2025 in any of these ways. Investing in an elegant piece in this shade is definitely a choice you will not regret to create some of the most elegant fashion statements in 2025. If you can't decide, let me help you here. For winter, you can invest in a long wool coat in Mocha mousse. Trust me, it is a worthy investment and indeed the most trending one. If you like leathery stuff, then a leather coat or a jacket in Mocha mousse is also a decent option. For summer, you can go for basic tank tops or tees in Mocha mousse. A wide-leg pant is indeed another worth trying option. Stay with us, we have so many more trends you can go for in Mocha mousse. Do not miss that. Putting it in a nutshell, this color can never go wrong for 2025. And if you want to go with the trends, jumping in on this one will not disappoint you in any way. Number 2. Asymmetrical cuts. If you know, you know. If you don't know, let me tell you. The theme for 2025 fashion is bold maximalism. That doesn't mean we're not going to see minimalist fashion trends, but a touch of maximalism is the cherry on top for 2025. Let's reverse back to the stunning 2025 fashion ramp walks where you'll see every other outfit perfectly draped on bodies asymmetrically. There's no definite shape, cut, or crease, but most of them are beautifully designed in irregular cuts. That's because 2025 fashion is embracing asymmetrical designs for literally every outfit type. You can go for them for every occasion, whether it's a casual day out, a party night, a work outfit, or just a shopping date. Asymmetrical designs are going to spread like fire. These cuts define fashion as more feminine and free. It doesn't bind anyone to follow a pre-coded fashion style or cut, but it gives us the freedom to go any way we like with fashion. Among many asymmetrical styles, you'll see irregular hemlines showing one leg with a very interesting cut on the other leg. The 2025 asymmetricals are not your ordinary cuts. The pictures on the screen are a few examples. Number 3. Off-shoulder trend. Here we have a subcategory of asymmetrical designs, the off-shoulder designs. The reason we're putting it here as a separate point already tells us how dominant this fashion trend is going to be. Off-shoulder cuts have already spread everywhere, but considering its current winter season, this trend will dominate spring and summer of 2025. Everything from tops to dresses will embrace these off-the-shoulder trends like never before. Again, this trend gives so many styling options, and that's the best part about many 2025 fashion trends. They're versatile and give you plenty of options to style a piece or trend in numerous ways. Though off-the-shoulder cuts are best to style in warmer seasons, you can also go for it in the winter. Just style a jacket, coat, or any fur scarf on top of your off-shoulder dress or top. Trust me, this trend has a spotlight-stealing energy in any way you style it. You're also going to see asymmetrical one-shoulder tops and dresses that are even chic and elegant. And let me tell you, these tops are the best go-tos when you can't think of styling something that's trendy and chic at the same time. With these, style and elegance can finally go hand in hand. For daytime hangouts, pick up any chic off-shoulder or one-shoulder top in probably 2025 trending colors and throw a pair of wide-leg pants on with it. Style it with a chic minimal leather belt, accessorize yourself, and you are ready to define yourself in elegance and fashion statements. It'll give you a magazine shoot-ready look you're gonna fall in love with. Speaking of colors, don't tell me you've missed out on our video on 5 trending colors that'll dominate 2025. If you did miss it by any chance, no worries. You can find the link in the description box. Trust me, getting your hands on the most dominant fashion trends along with the best 2025 colors can make the best combo altogether. And moving on to the 4th trend. Number 4, statement jewelry. 2025 fashion is bold, and statement jewelry is just one part of this bold maximalist theme. This year is all about bulky statement jewelry, especially in gold. You'll be cutting off dainty jewelry and shifting towards sharp, vibrant, and more textured jewelry pieces. This year especially gives a revival to multi-layered pearl necklaces. Those were so in trend a few years ago, but 2024 almost got silent in those. Now's the time you can style these on your elegant attires. They look chic and bring a royal feel to your style. Another thing in jewelry that's going to be everywhere is gold cuffs. Fashionistas are obsessed with styling some masterpiece gold cuffs on coat sleeves and sleeves of tops. It adds a sense of fresh trend to your outfit, and you ultimately look styled as per the trends of 2025. You'll also get to see gold bulky earrings, especially the ones in geometrical shapes, triangular shapes, and shell-like shapes. It's also going to be the era of bold and giant gold rings. After all, 2025 is a time when going extra doesn't feel wrong with new fashion trends. And honestly, 2025 is all about going extra, wearing extra, styling extra, and embracing extra. It all feels fine and even trendy in 2025. Number 5, lifted basics and accentuated waists. This trend is already everywhere. 2025 doesn't welcome the ordinary basics we all have in our wardrobes. No, you don't need to discard them. This year tells so many ways to make these basics instantly lifted. All I'm saying is wearing basics as basics is something you won't see very much this year. The trend waves have already given us so many styling options, and this trend is actually a combo of 2 trends of 2025. One is lifted basics, and the other is accentuated waists. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this year is going to be feminine in full force, and accentuated waist is just a part of that. And it's also a trick to lift your basics. For instance, adding a statement belt like gold chain belts or bold buckle belts to your basic pants paired with a basic top can not only lift your basic wardrobe, but will also accentuate your waist area. We can call this trend just add a belt. Besides belts, you'll see dresses that are more snatched at the waistline, creating an elevated effect while giving a pure feminine vibe. Fashion lovers will embrace their body cuts with a touch of interest in the outfit. Even ordinary button-down shirts are no longer ordinary in 2025. They're more fun with puffy sleeves and asymmetrical hemlines. Besides all these worth-trying trends, 2025 fashion is going to be a play of textures, cuts, and unexpected combinations of colors and fabrics. You'll see sheer layering taking over the fancy attires, bubble hemlines defining skirts in a new way, and a return of boho aesthetics with more interest in the waist area. We stir and we distill the most elegant trends that are not a compromise on the elegance besides being the spotlight of the current time. Remember, fashion is a trend. Style lives within a person. Oscar de la Renta. Which of these trends excites you the most? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching, stay stylish, and we'll see you in the next video.